Choosing an iron can be a more important decision than you might think, because the right iron can save a lot of time while giving your clothes a professional look. In this video, we compare the best clothing irons, focusing on technical details such as steam power, sole plate technology, heat settings, and ease of use. We examine in detail which model is the only one to smooth creases and which one offers safe and practical use. If you are thinking of buying a new iron, you will be able to see the most suitable model for your needs more clearly at the end of the video. If you are ready, let's take a look at the ironing world together. Number 5. Rowenta DW2459 XS. Rowenta DW2459 XS is a powerful and practical steam iron model designed for daily use. Thanks to its 1725-watt motor, it provides fast heating, and its stainless steel microsteam 350 sole plate ensures that the steam is evenly distributed to the fabric with more than 350 micro holes. The narrow and pointed tip of the iron offers effective ironing even in hard-to-reach areas such as between buttons. You can also easily iron clothes on hangers or curtains thanks to the vertical steam feature. The automatic switch-off feature ensures safe use. The iron switches off automatically after a certain period of inactivity. Thanks to its lightweight structure and ergonomic design, it offers a comfortable experience even during long ironing. Overall, Rowenta DW2459 XS is an ideal option for daily use with its affordable price and features. Number 4. PurSteam 1800 watts. PurSteam 1800-watt steam iron is a model that attracts attention with its powerful performance and user-friendly features. Thanks to its 1800-watt engine, it provides fast heating and easily removes stubborn wrinkles with intense steam output. The large water reservoir is ideal for long-term ironing operations and reduces the need for frequent water refilling. It is possible to select heat and steam settings suitable for 11 different fabric types via the LCD display, which ensures safe and effective ironing on different fabrics. The ceramic-coated sole plate glides easily over fabric and is resistant to scratches. You can also easily iron hanging garments or curtains thanks to the vertical steam feature. Safety and maintenance features such as auto shutoff, anti-drip, and self-cleaning ensure ease of use and long-lasting performance. Users praise the PurSteam 1800-watt iron's fast warm-up time and efficient steam output. Overall, this model stands out as a suitable option for both home users and professionals, with its strong performance and various features. Number 3. Black+Decker D3030 Allure. Black+Decker D3030. Allure stands out as an affordable steam iron model that combines practicality and performance in daily use. Thanks to its 1600-watt engine, it provides fast warm-up and offers 30% more steam production than its competitors with dynamic steam technology. The stainless steel sole plate glides easily on the fabric, making the ironing process more efficient. The digital control panel provides user convenience with heat and steam settings suitable for 5 different fabric types. While the pointed tip of the iron offers precise ironing between buttons and in narrow areas, you can easily iron hanging clothes or curtains thanks to the vertical steam feature. In addition, the 3-way automatic shutoff feature offers a safe usage experience. Users say that the Black+Decker D3030 Allure offers a comfortable experience, even during long ironing sessions thanks to its lightweight construction and ergonomic design. Overall, the Black+Decker D3030 Allure is an ideal choice for everyday use due to its affordable price and features. Number 2. Rowenta ProMaster XL DW8360U1. Rowenta ProMaster XL is a powerful and detail-oriented steam iron designed for those looking for professional-level ironing performance. Thanks to its 1775-watt motor, it provides fast warm-up and easily removes stubborn creases with its 210 grams per minute steam boost feature. The stainless steel microsteam HD sole plate with more than 550 microsteam holes ensures that steam is evenly distributed over the fabric, which reduces ironing time and ensures smoother results. The pointed tip of the iron allows precise ironing between buttons and in narrow areas. You can also easily iron hanging garments or curtains thanks to the vertical steam feature. The large water tank is ideal for long-term ironing and reduces the need for frequent refills. The anti-lime scale system prolongs the life of the iron by preventing mineral buildup. Users praise the model's detailed ironing performance and efficiency on different types of fabrics. Overall, Rowenta ProMaster XL stands out as a suitable option for both home users and professionals with its powerful steam output, large sole plate surface, and detail-oriented design. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Durathon 19,803. Hamilton Beach Durathon 19803 is a steam iron model that stands out with its powerful steam output and user-friendly features. Thanks to its 1,500-watt motor, it provides fast heating and ensures that the steam is evenly distributed to the fabric with 192 steam holes. This feature shortens the ironing time and allows you to achieve smoother results. The iron's ceramic-coated sole plate glides easily on the fabric and is resistant to scratches. You can also easily iron hanging garments or curtains, thanks to the vertical steam feature. The retractable cord feature allows easy storage of the cord after use. Users state that it offers a comfortable experience, even during long-term ironing, thanks to its lightweight structure and ergonomic design. In general, Hamilton Beach Durathon 19803 stands out as a suitable option for both home users and professionals with its powerful steam output, durable sole plate, and user-friendly features.